Rothorach. Cycling. Rothorach. I love it. Scotland has a proud cycling heritage. The fastest male circumnavigation of the globe by bicycle, Mark Beaumont. Alapinach, a Scot. Alapinach. The fastest female circumnavigation of the globe by bicycle, unsupported, Jenny Graham. Alapinach Ile, another Scot. Alapinach Ile. My own claim to fame? Well, to be fair, I once cycled into the bonnet of a parked car, so, probably levels things out a bit. In Jew, Hami Aunen Glasgow. Today I'm in Glasgow at Taitaski Tuv na Haine, the Riverside Museum. Taitaski Tuv na Haine, to take a spin through the history of the humble Rothor. The earliest bicycles were heavy and cumbersome, and they didn't even have rubber tyres. Chavíoch sin ítear córstal. That wouldn't be comfortable at all. Chavíoch. Bike design evolved with the iconic penny farthing, and it was the combination of rider height and poor brakes that gave rise to the phrase travelling at breakneck speed. Neil Johnson Symington is curator of the museum. So the world's oldest working bike, you've got it here in the museum.
The bicycle we've got here at the museum was designed by Gavin D'El, and it's around 1845, 1846. When D'El's bike went on display at the International Exhibition in 1888, it was lauded as the world's first bicycle.
What will the future of the bicycle be? Will they be self-driving? Will they have jetpacks? How will they go?
There's an engineer out in China who's built the first self-driving bicycle. We know that Chris Boardman he's created an intelligent bike concept, but I feel like we've still got to get our infrastructure right to encourage people to get out of their cars and onto two wheels.
So the world's oldest working bike, can I get a shot of that bike?
We wouldn't be able to let you ride D'El's machine from 1845, 1846, but we do have a replica from 1839, which we would be delighted to let you have a shot of.
Apar Uram, what an honour. Apar Uram. Let's see how we go. A Kukulach, it's wobbly. A Kukulach. Rothor Eigentach, an amazing bicycle. Rothor Eigentach. Yet again I feel inspired. Records of firsts, fastest and furthests, agus gach ferga Alpe, and all of them to Scotland. Gach ferga Alpe. I feel like I should set my own clàr record. Clàr. Furthest cycled on a bicycle, Feuchainn, underwater. Feuchainn. It's not yet been set.